Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Zoho SalesIQ. First, you will need to log into your Zoho SalesIQ account. Once inside, navigate to your brand settings to find the unique installation code. This code is crucial for connecting SalesIQ to your website. Simply copy the code and paste it into your website's HTML, specifically before the closing body tag. After saving and publishing your website, the chat widget will become active, ready to engage your visitors. Next, let's personalize your chat widget to align with your brand's aesthetic. Head over to the personalization settings, where you can select from several predefined themes or pick a custom color using a color picker. You can also decide on the chat window size, choosing between a medium or large option. Don't forget to customize the messages visitors see when operators are online or offline, ensuring a consistent brand voice. Now, let's organize your team within SalesIQ. You can easily add new operators by entering their email and assigning one of three roles: administrator, supervisor, or associate. Create departments, such as sales or support, to categorize your team members. Then, associate each operator with their respective departments. Finally, set up chat routing rules to ensure incoming chats are directed to the most appropriate department or operator, streamlining visitor assistance. To maximize SalesIQ's potential, explore its powerful integrations. You can seamlessly connect with other Zoho applications, like Zoho CRM for lead management or Zoho Desk for support tickets. Integrate with third-party tools, such as Google Analytics, to gain deeper insights into visitor behavior. Leverage built-in AI tools for features like conversation summaries and writing assistance. Plus, set up chatbots to automatically handle common queries, providing instant support around the clock.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.